Welcome back to testing mail flow, distribution group and send as permission. So let's jump to our server and start the demonstration. We are on our Exchange server now, and to demonstrate the mail flow I have a two browser, Internet Explorer. I will log in with the Sale1 user, and on Mozilla I will log in as a Sales2 user. So let's log in. So this is a Sales1 user. Let's try to send an email to Sales2. Let's type the name Sales2, Control K to select it automatically, and let me also send CC to test1. Press the Control K and it will automatically select the user. Let me type the subject. This is a first test mail, and let's send it. It has been sent from here. We have received the mail. This is a first test mail. If I go and reply this, yes, received, click on send. Here we can see we have got the reply, yes, received. So our email flow is working fine. Let's now go to the Exchange Admin Center and create the distribution group. Let me sign out from here and I will log in as an administrator. So let's create a two distribution group, for one for sale and another for testing. If I go to the groups, distribution group, and the name will be sales department, and I'll select the OU, that is sales. All the users inside the sales will be receiving this email. The owner is administrator and the member. You need to add the members, and I'm going to select all the sales user members inside this. So I'll add the member sale1 and sale2 and click on OK and click on save. So now the sales department group has been created. Let me create another one and I'll name it as a testing group, and the organization unit will be testing. Click on OK. The owner is administrator and the members are test1, test4. Click on add, click on OK and save. So now we have a two distribution group. You can also create the same way. You can create the security distribution group. So let's test it now. Let me log out and log in as a test1 user. So let's now try to create a new mail. I will try to send it to sales. Control K. We have a group. Here you can see the sales distribution group. So I will be putting it on a sales distribution group. Hi sales member, and let me click on send. The test1 is a user and he has sent an email to a distribution group. So let's see if we have received it or not. This is a user test sales1. He receives a mail, hi sales, to all sales member, and if I quickly go and sign out and log in with the sales2 to make sure that everyone is receiving email or not, you can see to all sales member we have the email here. And if I go to the, if I create a new mail from sales to testing and hit the Control K, you see the testing group is there to all testing members. Let me send it. Mail has been sent. So this is a test1. If I go and sign out and try to log in with the test4, you can see all testing members. So this way, by creating a distribution group, you can send email to all the members of that group. And now if we go back to our Exchange Admin Center, you can see the sales1, the user, and if I go to the properties of this sales1 user and I want to give it a mailbox delegation, I will give it as a send as permission to sales2 and click on add, click on OK. Though you have some other permission like full access or send on behalf, you can give that as well, but I am giving it a send as permission. So let me click on save. Now sales1 has permission to send as a sales2 user. So let's log in with the sales1 user and try to send an email as send as. And before that we have to restart the Exchange Information Store service because it does not affect immediately. So let me try to restart the service. So now the service has been restarted, and let me go to the sales1. Let me sign out from here. So we have given a delegation on a sales 1 mailbox to send as, so that sales 2 user can send as a sales 1. So let's log into a sales 2 user, and if we click on new, from here you can click on show from. Right now this is a sales 2 user. If I go and click remove and I put it here as a sales 1, and I want to send it to itself sales 2. I am trying to send email to himself like in a sales 2, but it will come from a sales 1 user. So let me test send as. So this is a sales 2 user. If we send this mail, so you can see the mail has come from the sale 1 user. Though the user is sales 2, sales 2 has sent a mail, but it has sent the mail as send as, so it's showing sales 1. Let's meet in the next video managing other types of mailboxes.